Hi everyone. Today our topic is heat stress prevention. Working in a hot environment can be dangerous, but with the right precaution you can stay safe. Let's discuss how to prevent heat stress. First, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, even if you are not thirsty. Avoid drinks with caffeine or alcohol, as they can dehydrate you. Take regular breaks in cool shaded areas, allow your body to recover and cool down. Schedule the most demanding tasks for cooler parts of the day if possible. Wear lightweight, breathable clothing. Light colored clothes can help reflect heat, and loose fitting garments allow air circulation. Accumulate to the heat gradually. If you are not used to working in hot condition, increase your exposure slowly over the weeks or two. Recognize the signs of heat stress such as dizziness, headache, nausea, and excessive sweating. If you are a co-worker experience these symptoms, take immediately action to cool down and seek medical attention. In conclusion, prevention of heat stress involves stay hydrated, taking break, wearing appropriate clothing, and be aware of the symptoms. By following these steps, you can stay safe and healthy in hot conditions. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips and stay safe and cool.